Welcome back to Bike Insight, your ultimate source for motorcycle news, reviews, and updates. Today, we're taking a deep look at one of the most balanced and reliable adventure bikes in the world, the 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650. Known for its dependability and versatility, the V-Strom 650 has long been a favorite among riders who crave adventure without compromising comfort or practicality. A bold new design. The 2026 V-Strom 650 brings a fresh, aggressive design while preserving the signature adventure identity Suzuki is known for. The new V-shaped LED headlight, sleek bodywork, and redesigned fuel tank give it a rugged yet premium look. The adjustable windscreen improves aerodynamics and rider comfort during long-distance travel. Available in champion yellow, metallic matte black, and pearl white, the new V-Strom demands attention wherever it goes. Engine and performance. At its heart, the V-Strom 650 continues to use Suzuki's proven 645 cubic centimeters V-twin, liquid-cooled engine, now refined for even smoother power delivery and reduced emissions. It delivers around 70 horsepower and 62 Newton-meters of torque, offering a perfect balance of strength and control. The 2026 model features updated fuel injection and ECU mapping, improving throttle response and fuel economy. Whether you're cruising the highway or tackling gravel trails, the V-Strom delivers dependable power and effortless control every time. Suspension, comfort, and handling. Suzuki has fine-tuned the 2026 V-Strom 650 for both comfort and confidence. The 41mm telescopic front forks and link-type adjustable rear suspension ensure a stable and smooth ride across all terrains. The redesigned seat is softer and ergonomically shaped for long rides, while the slightly higher handlebar position offers better control off-road. The addition of low RPM assist prevents engine stalling in traffic or slow technical riding, making it friendly for both beginners and experienced riders alike. Technology and rider aids. This latest model is packed with advanced technology to keep you connected and in control. The new 5-inch full-color TFT display shows all essential riding data, including speed, RPM, fuel range, gear position, and ride mode selection. Bluetooth connectivity allows you to pair your smartphone for notifications, while the dual riding modes, touring and sport, let you adjust performance based on conditions. The traction control system, dual-channel ABS, and hill hold assist work together to provide superior safety and stability on any road. Utility and adventure focus. The 2026 V-Strom 650 isn't just about looks, it's built for real adventure. Weighing around 213 kilograms, it offers great balance and agility for its class. The 20-liter fuel tank delivers an impressive range of over 400 kilometers, making it ideal for long-distance touring. Suzuki also offers optional touring packages that include side panniers, a top box, and crash protection, ensuring you're ready for any expedition right out of the gate. Price and competition. The expected price of the 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650 is between $10,000 and $11,000, making it a strong competitor against models like the Yamaha Tenor 700, Honda Transalp 750, and KTM 690 Enduro R. While others may excel in power or pure off-road capability, the V-Strom shines as a complete all-rounder, dependable, comfortable, and easy to maintain. Conclusion. With the 2026 V-Strom 650, Suzuki once again proves why this bike remains one of the most trusted names in adventure touring. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a companion for riders who live for the open road, mountain trails, and endless horizons. Combining comfort, performance, and reliability, the new V-Strom 650 continues to be a perfect blend of practicality and passion.